Hi, this is day 2 of Materia Medica series. In yesterday's video, we were discussing about the importance of starting our Materia Medica studies through basic books. For any homeopathic student, before starting homeopathic Materia Medica, he should understand the basics of homeopathic Materia Medica. Before diving into the remedies and understanding the remedy in a pathological sense, we should always start understanding the basic construction of different homeopathic Materia Medicas. It is very important to understand the introductory part of homeopathic Materia Medica. It may be type of homeopathic Materia Medica, it may be different approaches to study homeopathic Materia Medica, or it may be about temperament, diathesis, miasms. So today in this video we will discuss about different types of homeopathic Materia Medica. As homeopathy started evolving, different homeopathic pioneers started proving so many remedies. Eventually, more number of remedies got incorporated in different homeopathic Materia Medicas. Further, it created more chaos in the minds of homeopaths. Homeopathic physicians felt very difficult to memorize each and every proven drug. So, they came up with the idea of segregating each type of Materia Medica for their clinical convenience. Basically, we have 8 to 10 types of homeopathic Materia Medicas. Some of the basic ones are Materia Medica of provings, picture type of Materia Medica, physiological Materia Medica, clinical Materia Medica, comparative Materia Medica, descriptive Materia Medica, therapeutic Materia Medica, picture type of Materia Medica, and poetry Materia Medica. Each type of these Materia Medica have their different purpose. Materia Medica of provings, which is also called as pure type of Materia Medica, which contains pure and clinical symptoms produced by crude drug substance on provers. As this Materia Medica consists of pure symptoms experienced by a prover on giving a well-chosen drug, so this type of Materia Medica is very genuine and very reliable. Then the physiological type of Materia Medica, it consists of the symptoms produced by drugs based on its physiological action. Each and every drug has its own physiological action. When it's given on a prover, it starts producing its physiological action. Those symptoms are considered and they are written in this Materia Medica. Clinical type of Materia Medica includes and gives more stress on clinical type of symptoms. For example, it consists of list of remedies which is indicated in a particular clinical condition. For example, ulcers, diabetes, hypertension, etc. Next comes the comparative type of homeopathic Materia Medica. We usually see so many different remedies which has similar kind of action and similar drug picture. It will be very confusing to remember what symptoms exactly that drug is producing and how to differentiate the drug picture of two similar remedies. That's why we have comparative type of Materia Medica. This Materia Medica consists of differentiating two very similar medicine for a same condition. For example, graphitis and petrolinum in skin conditions, Ruxtox and bryonia in osteo conditions, sepia and natrum urine female disorders, arsal and phosphorus in respiratory conditions. Then comes our therapeutic type of Materia Medica. It is very essential for a practitioner to have a therapeutic knowledge for each and every clinical condition and its correlated medicines. When you know the therapeutics of each and every clinical condition, it helps to narrow down the remedies and which helps to further selection of similimum. In descriptive type of Materia Medica, we usually see the complete action of remedy in each and every plane of human body. That may be in mental plane, physical plane, or general plane. In mental plane, we can see their emotions and reactions to each and every circumstances in day-to-day life. In physical plane, we could see the pathogenesis of each and every drug and its sphere of action. In general plane, we can see the body's general reaction to each and every circumstances and change in diet, hunger, appetite, cravings, desire, sleep, thirst, dreams can also see the changes in their thermal reactions. Then we have two other very fascinating type of materia medicas. They are picture type of materia medica and poetry materia medica. Picture type of materia medica has figures and pictures of the action of each and every drug on each and every organs. For example, if arsenicum album is causing burning sensation in the respiratory tract, there in the picture type of materia medica, you could see the figure of respiratory system with burning flames. In poetry type of materia medica, the author has tried to make each and every symptom as a rhymes or as a phrases to make it very easy to memorize each and every action and each and every pathogenesis of remedies. So before choosing any book, any materia medica book to start studying homeopathic materia medica, you should always consider what type of materia medica is that book. Once you know the type of materia medica you are studying, it gives you very clear direction to continue your materia medica journey. I hope this video was very informative. In the next video, we'll talk on different approaches to study homeopathic materia medica. If you have any doubts or queries, please pin down in comment section. Until then, stay tuned.